everyone and welcome to SB Artistry. Before I start, I wanna tell you this hairstyle is not messy. I don't have hair product, that's why it looks like it is messy. I've started with my eye base and powdered it. Using the same brush, I'm using this color on the outer V and the crease of my eyelid. Now I'm using this color on the same place to darken it up a little bit. This look you can wear it on day or night, and to glam it up you can use a little bit of black color outside of the corners. Now I'm using a little bit darker of a brown color on the outside to darken it up a little bit to define the crease of my eyes. Using a little bit of eye base, I'm gonna create a place to stick my metallic eyeshadow. Cream base will help you to place metallic or any shimmering color on top of your eyelid stay put. Keep in mind that it is not applicable for glitters or glitter eyeshadow. You have to have a glue for that. Now I'm using this color on the inner corner and the mid of my eyes. After this, I'm blending out the edges to soften it up, as this is not a cut crease or half cut crease, so I have to soften the edges to make it look more blendable. Sorry for that face, but with this pencil brush I'm gonna use a highlighter on the inner corner of my eyes and on the brow bones. If you don't like eyeliners, then you can leave it this far, but I like eyeliner and I want to do a very sharp wing liner, so I am tight lining and waterlining my eyes, and then I'm gonna use a black liner to make a sharp wing liner. After this, I'm gonna do my brows and mascara and foundation off camera. Now I'm gonna do my contour, and there's a video of how to do contour in the I button. If you want, you can check it out. I've made how to do eyebrows with makeup as well. It is also in the I button. You can check it out if you want. I didn't realize that I was looking down doing my makeup, so drawn in that. I'm sorry for that. And after this one, all the time I'm looking down. For that, I'm also sorry. Doing blush, then highlighter, then my lower lash mascara. I am just telling you this so that you can just see what I'm doing, nothing else. Just see my hand motion and nothing else. A lot of people do highlight their forehead. I don't, because I have an oily skin. Throughout the day my skin will break into oils and the forehead will look more shiny if I put highlighter on the forehead. I'm using a pink lipstick to tint my lips slightly. You can use any nude color if you want. And this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it and thank you for watching.